Right.
You get to wear?
What are you wearing? Oh, who's this? Who's this guy over here?
Disney Sea! Yay!
Yay, Disney Sea!
Look who we found! Oh no, it's Mickey! It's Mickey Mouse! Cute. Is there going to be ratatouille?
Oh,
we have
maybe.
to go. Oh, let's look at these ears. There's more ears. Those ones are cool. I don't know. I feel like I just have to go for the classic ones. I don't know. Let's just get something to eat first. This is so pretty.
I like it from just there. See, I think it's from.
Oh, I want to go for a boat ride. Let's go and be part of the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so pretty. Look at all of this. Oh my gosh. I love that. I love this so much. It's such a nice day as well. I love this hat though. It's so cool. I could get this one. But they're not ears, they're just like a party hat.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get these ones because they're like the 35 year, and then Seth's gonna get the wizard. Other way. But then, oh, I want like the mittens, they're so cute. The big cowboys. And get the cowboy hats. I love it. We got our ears! Yay!
I'm struggling with mine, hold on.
Hooray! What's happening? Oh my gosh. We don't know what's happening because everything's in Japanese and we can't read the map, but this is so fun. What's going on? Who's there?
This is a choice.
Which one do you want?
Oh, this is for you. I was going to get you.
Oh, I'll be cliche and get mini. Yeah.
Oh, that one's so cute though.
It is. They're all cute. I can't
Very
decide.
Alright, well, we'll go mini.
Mini.
Because you're a cute little mini.
Thank you.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh.
And a shop being made.
Oh,
So cool.
that's so cute. This is the cutest place. This is so cute.
美しい南ヨーロッパの街並みが心に残るロマンティックな港町です。
Oh.
No. No, so.
This would be really hard though. You like it? Oh. Yay! That is cool.
Oh, is that like the thing from Atlantis?
I'd say so. Oh, look at that. This is so pretty. Ah, I love this. Wow, King Trident. So cool. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is so cute.
You've been telling this, you're here!
And then, oh, magic lamp.
It just smells so good.
The curry, we smell curry. Oh yeah. Is it this? Curry popcorn?
We need to try it.
Do you want to try it?
Yes.
Alright,
we need to try
alright.
it. Cool.
Got a little souvenir. Squeeze the thing. I think it's... That's so cute, little Mickey.
That is so cool.
There we go.
Yeah,
Alright, let's try it.
More of an after flavor.
It's very lightly flavored. I like it. Let's go explore. I'm gonna carry that around with you all day now.
Oh, the line.
There's a line for them. So cute. We got little alien mochis, or little alien dumplings. Let's try it.
What flavor is it?
Strawberry. Eating our dinner. The best view. It's actually so nice. I love it here, I don't want to leave. Let's eat. Disneyland! Let's go in! So pretty! I love it here! The castle! It's so pretty! We're in the arcade. It's so cool, it's like old and cute. Coin machines. Oh, I want my fortune. How do I do it? 100 yen.
It's so red in here on the camera. Oh. Oh goodness.
Something came out. It's in Japanese. Yay! Can't read
Yeah.
it. Yay, got my fortune. So cool in here.
Big gold.
Oh, that's so cool. No. We've got Chinese pork buns. They're so cute. Yay! Good? Yay! We're in Adventureland. We're gonna go the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Yay!
Yeah.
Fire. Yay.
天霊も列車の外には手を出さないように。ジャングルではいつだって食事の時間だからね。灰になってしまいました。しかし。
We're in the Swiss family treehouse. There's his food. That's cool. Oh. We found our alien mochis. Yay! The lighting is so bad from here. Hooray! Happy. Now for Space Mountain. Yay!
我々のバッテリーを狙っている。このままでは宇宙がザンに支配されることになる。
She'll go around. the go coaster.
Yeah, that looks fun.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. We're in Miss Daisy's boat. Oh, that's cute. Hello. Hey.
You know what? We're near the poo corner.
You're annoying. In Fantasyland, yay! So cool in here. Hello. We just went on Splash Mountain. I didn't get wet at all, which is fun. Got a bit wet.
Yeah, a little bit.
Now we're trying to find some food. Yay.
It'll actually be good.
Yeah, I really like them. Look at the floor. That's so cool. I actually want that. Yeah, what does that one do?
It's
Oh, it's flounder.
flounder, that's
I love that. Look at this jacket. I want this jacket. Oh, it's the blanket one.
yeah.
I actually want that though. I could bring that back, right? I want it. Look how pretty the castle looks at night. So cool. This is the treehouse at night. So pretty. Let's go find food. Yay!
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou.